Saturday, yeah, May 20, 2023. Volkswagen Beetle from 70s transmission. Here we go again. How nice and shiny and clean it looks like, eh? Yeah, you're gonna tell me, Tassos, you didn't even run it. You just put fluid inside. Yeah, you can still see the Vaseline. Here, this was when I inserted. Okay. Now, because I don't want to end up cleaning it again, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover it with one nylon bag to don't be contaminated inside until we make the test, because the electrician is not here. We need the electrician here to make the test. All right, that's the unit that I installed. All right, that's the electrical connector for the unit. I guess we're supposed to connect the solenoids, we're supposed to connect this one, and to ground the transmission to the chassis. Okay, so is it long enough, the wire? I mean, maybe the electrician will gonna be able to pull it out from inside to have a bit longer, because I doubt how you're gonna make a test like that, right? How you gonna make a test? All the story here is there are 3 forks here, 1, 2, 3, and there is another one fork down over there. The shift rod, if I remember right, there is this shift rod over there, all right, and there is this, and this. Now, when this moves, this is magnet. This one's magnet, this magnet. So it's up the magnetic field, and it's reading here. Now, that's the old one. I wish to make this test before I close it, before I do all these things, right? Makes sense. But that's what they said to me to change, that's what I changed. They didn't say to me, keep it open to make a test. This is my idea to make a test. All right? So, you see that this, first of all, don't ask me which shift rod it's the number 1, number 2, number 3, or number 4. I have no clue. The electrician, he knows better than me. And as far as I can see, this been engaged. This one, yeah, you see the synchro there inside? It's supposed to don't be there. It's supposed to be there. Yes, there it's the neutral. That's the neutral. Yeah, it makes sense to be in the middle, right? So it was this shift rod, it was engaged gear there. That's supposed to don't be there. And most probably this is the shift rod number 3 that's not reading. Because Omar, he make a test on the jack, he was shifting the gears. So most probably he shift this gear, I don't even remember which gear is that. Why to stay? It's supposed to be neutral all the time. And when I open the cover, I pull it up. So worst case scenario, you can engage this gear, but not this one. This is supposed to be the first gear. It looks like the first gear, right? Yeah, it looks like the first gear. Output shaft, input shaft, big gear, smaller gear. There is no smaller than this. Yeah, this is like the first gear. So now, all the story. Is this device problematic, or is this magnet problematic? I have no clue. Don't ask me. We have to make a test to see what in hell is going on. But before we do this test, first covering with a nylon bag, like I said, and then find a way to extend the plugs to reach at the transmission. That's why I put it on this table here. One second. I put on that. Why? Because you can simply raise it up if you want. See how nice? You're not gonna have a headache. Lovely. Hydraulic. Yay, 2023. So that's the status. That's the status. This, I have to be careful when I'm gonna insert this needle bearing back again inside, but don't destroy it. I remember I put a Vaseline before. I don't remember what I did. Need to be careful to insert again inside. Okay. That's this. I lose it just in case, and I lose also this one. This I didn't have to lose it, but I lose it. Don't ask me why. I have to turn it down again. But this is because of the shaft of the reverse. You see it's playing. This I have to torque it down. I have to check the torque specs to torque it down again. And then wiring, I didn't destroy any cable, I didn't grab anywhere the cable. The magnet, here, the magnet's here. Okay, let's push it inside. Stay there. Stay there. I was thinking that we're gonna start leaking from the gasket because I reuse the same gasket and I reuse the same bolts. But it's not the case. The case is shift rod number 3. Yay. Like I said, when he comes the electrician, if I'm here, maybe he's gonna do it without me, and I hope when he do that without me to don't contaminate the transmission. I mean, keep the nylon bag on, plug the connectors, put one ground cable from here to the engine, prepare yourself, and then at the end you can open it and play with the gears. With this one you cannot play because if you try to push it here you're gonna destroy the magnet. Alright, with the inner one you cannot play, and I hope that this one, this shift rod here and this shift rod here to don't be the third. I hope one of these two to be the number 3, because I don't know how I'm gonna be able to shift it from here manually. I'm talking about, because hydraulic now you don't have hydraulic, you don't have nothing. Yeah, these are the speed sensors. There is one from this side and one from that side for the input shafts. Yeah, lovely. If it's the device, if it's this one, we can test the OEM, and if it's working this one we can use this one, or we can purchase a new one and make a test outside. I have no clue how we're gonna end up this one, but like I said, this is different, this is different, and I said that before. And don't judge me, don't ask me why and how or what brand it is. I have no clue. That's what they give me, that's what I install. Clear? Clear. And that was the box, like I said before. Okay, that's the inner part. Yeah, it is what it is, right? Yeah. Over and out. For any update I'm gonna make another video. For now, priority covering it, both of them. This with a nylon wrap, this with a garbage bag. Thank you. Have a nice weekend. Saturday today. Yay, yay. Saturday. Yeah. Yeah. Bye.